this video, we are going to see that if we want to delete the payment information or credit card information from Google Chrome, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up this settings from this three dots and just click on the settings at the bottom. And on our left, we have this option which says autofill and passwords. Just go in here. The second option is payment methods by the time you're watching this video, but they might be changed. In that case, you just need to search for the payment methods directly in the search settings. Just go ahead and click on that. And the payment method, whatever is attached, let's say you have attached a card here, you can easily delete it from here. Let me just enable this. I have totally disabled the save and fill payment methods, but as soon as you can see, I've enabled that. It has toggled on all of these things and the card is saved right here. So if you want to just add a new card, you can add that as well. But otherwise, if you want to delete this card, just go on this your payment methods in Google Pay and you can remove it from here. You can also add a nickname, and similarly, if you want to add something like credit card or a bank account, you can easily do that. And if you want to just disable or delete, or you can say temporarily disable this instead of deleting, you can just uncheck this, toggle that off, and you should be good to go. So this is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.